अपन माने खुशी तो वो भी बहुत खुशी.
So there was no stadium, no airport, no games village. Only the determination of Honorable Chief Minister was there that he wanted World Cup to be hosted in Sundargarh and in Rourkela. Sundargarh has a long history with hockey. The people are so passionate about hockey. So Honorable Chief Minister wanted to pay a tribute to the passion of hockey-loving Sundargarh people. That's why Rourkela was selected as a venue for hosting the Hockey World Cup. "75 years of independence is a milestone for any country. India is celebrating 75 years of independence, and our Honorable Chief Minister wanted to give a gift to the nation. So he created this stadium, one of the largest stadiums of the world, as a gift to the hockey-loving population of India and ODISHA.